Morning, guys. We're about to go to our very first rehearsal together with my angels, April and May.
Angel.
Okay, so see you later. By the way, guys, we're here at Fuzhou, Fujian Province, China.
Hotel.
Next chapter of Alibayobi. By the way, temperature now is 16 degrees
16 degrees. So
outside.
It's not that cold.
It's not that cold. Pero mamaak.
Mamaak
Okay.
nga.
So see you later. We're here with our ride. Say hi.
Hi, Ming.
Okay, we're going to the studio, music studio, for our rehearsal. We have arrived.
Hey guys,
Yes,
and we're here to the
our studio.
studio.
Anyway, malamig pa rin. With April, May, and June.
Yeah. No, nagpapag-vlog yan.
Yes. We'll take a tour inside. Go. Yes,
Hello,
April.
guys.
Yes.
We're here at the studio.
Look at the new hairdo.
Yeah,
April.
you never know.
And May. Yes, May.
Hi guys. It's May, June, and April. April, May, and June. Short.
Okay. We're inside the building, and our studio is just straight ahead.
It's straight ahead in the Walulu.
Just like my hair, straight ahead.
It's like
Yeah, I love my hair. By the way, guys, courtesy of Miss May, thank you very much for my hairdo for today, and for next week, and for next month, and for next year. Now we're here at the Weidu Audio, right? We're at the studio. Okay. I guess the band is already inside.
yeah, they're too early.
Should be.
It should be.
Time is gold. We're here. Good morning. The band. Welcome to my vlog, guys. To our vlog.
Pag ikaw ay gumugo, gaganda ang araw mo. Day,
With our
bakit
keys.
pagbilin?
Yeah.
Buang ka nga. Saan mo na ito? Itoyo to niya
Yes.
para iyahan na. Shout out kay Mr.
My friend here.
Bu kay mo pa una
Hey.
no, dadring ko no.
Galing, no?
Daling bigi.
And the guitars. Look at the hair, man. The hair.
Oh, ilang ko ro. Dulo-dulo.
Drums.
Oh, ano sigarin niyo?
Yeah.
Dili man.
And this is our playground.
Playground, consumption ground.
And our drinking girls. Okay.